What's up, y'all? It's your girl yeah, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna make sure I give y'all the most tips that I can and make sure we get these eyebrows on fleek in 2020. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna tell y'all, make sure that your face is clean, fresh, and dry. Because if you have moisture of any sort on your eyebrows, they're gonna automatically look greasy. Leave the mugs wherever you found them from. But I'm gonna teach you how to do it right, okay? Make sure that if you have caterpillar eyebrows, and what I mean by that is, if you got hairs coming all the way down here, doing all of that, sprouting and whatnot, make sure you pluck them up. Because if you don't, and you try to put concealer over them, it's gonna look a hot mess. Also, I cannot find my razor right now, but if you ever seen like an eyebrow razor, do that in between here and under here, on top of here. If you really need some maintenance, we're gonna get into the tools. First tool you need is a spoolie. Yeah, you need a spoolie brush, and this is for the brushing of the brows. We're gonna brush these brows out, brush them out, brush them out, just like that. Then, after we have brushed our brows out, we are going to take eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, whatever shade you prefer, but I use brown, and we are going to lightly start stroking on top of our brow. And then we're going to take it down here to where our tail ends, and then we are also going to lightly stroke the pencil underneath our brow and end at our tail. Do the same over here. After that, you take a little pressure, not a lot, and apply to the front. Do like a to the front. So after we've done that, we take our spoolie brush once again and we start to brush out the front. And that's for the faded look. We don't want our brow looking all one. You know what I'm saying? We want to give it that little natural, that faded look. So after we've done that, we go back with our eyebrow pencil and we fill it in. And we fill it in. Once all of that's taken care of, go back with your spoolie brush. Brush them out. Brush them out. Once that's done, take your handy dandy Eyebrow Pro Concealer, screw that top, put a little bit on the back of your hand. And then we are going to, no, we ain't gonna do that. I don't do that. For some people it works, not for me. Take your edge brush and then dip it into the Eyebrow Pro Concealer on the back of your hand. And then we're going to follow the line of our brow. Follow the line of our brow. And we are going to do the same, starting from the very start. Take it, drag it, all the way to the end. And we're going to do the same. And make sure that the point that aligns the, when you're doing this, you are having this point over here at the start of your brow. Okay, the shorter side of it should be facing that way, whichever brow you're on. So point at the start and take it across. Okay, so after that's done, you take a flat brush. Take a flat brush, a small brush, anything that's dense. and you're going to blend out the concealer around that line that you created. And you just want to make sure it's well blended so that when you go to put on your foundation, it doesn't look like somebody just to your face. You know what I mean? So make sure you blend that out well. And take it, and you can even take the concealer all the way down to your eyelid, because you can use that as a base for your eyeshadow. 2 in 1, killing 2 birds in 1 stone. So now that y'all got the instructions, y'all got the walkthrough, I got the products, all that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. For real though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I ain't playing with y'all.